Hey guys, so I wanted to let y'all know about this really awesome thing I've been doing like once a month for the last couple of months. I've been using this dermaplaner from Kitsch. I use it to shape my eyebrows, take off all the little peach fuzz I get on my cheeks. The amount of dead skin it removes is kind of gross, but awesome. My makeup has never been applied more smoothly. I keep getting compliments about how nice my skin looks. So if you're on the fence about trying out a dermaplaner, couldn't recommend this one from Kitsch more. Absolutely love it.
Dermaplaners with you. I'm totally in love with them. So what it is they remove all of the dead skin and peach fuzz off your face, which in turn helps your skincare products work better, as well as your makeup application. It just makes your makeup look smoother, apply more evenly, and all of that. So first I cleansed my face, applied a facial oil, and now I'm using the dermaplaner at a 45-degree angle. As you can see, there is tons of hair and dead skin, and it's just super gross. After I'm all done, my skin is super soft. It's really luminous too.
Kitsch 12-pack of dermaplaners. All right, if you've never used one of these before, they're incredible. I really like this brand too. I like that the blade is 100% stainless steel, and I can use them more than just once because the blade is sharp. So this is what they look like. So it has a protective cover on each one, and then I like to use mine for eyebrow shaping, and then I dermaplane my entire face to get the peach fuzz and like the dead skin cells off. This just helps my makeup go on so much smoother. It gives me a more even skin tone, and I just like having like smoother skin. I love the 12-pack because then I just like having more than one of them because I get like a few uses out of this and then I'm ready for a new one, kind of just like a regular razor. Then I just put my lid back on. These are great. You can stick them in your car, your suitcase. My purse has one. I kind of keep one everywhere in case I like get any sort of weird facial hair. I can get rid of it really quick. It's not harsh on my skin, but it gets rid of the unwanted hair and it's still gentle enough. I hope this info helps as you are looking into getting yourself some Kitsch dermaplaners.
Dermaplaners from Kitsch today. I absolutely love using these on my face. This is what they look like, and they come with little protective caps to keep them sanitary. I like to do this when I first get out of the shower, and you're just gonna go in a downward motion like this. You want to get as close to the hairline as possible, and you don't want to press too hard.
This is just what was on my forehead, and once you do this, you will never stop because the difference it makes when you apply your foundation or even just for that overall brightened look when you aren't wearing makeup is amazing.
Is such a wonderful tool. Seriously, all right, let me show you. It not only takes off the little peach fuzz and the little hairs that I get because of my age, I know, down here. Anyway, it exfoliates and removes the peach fuzz. So what I do is I do this all over. I know I should be in the bathroom, the lighting's terrible, so here I am exfoliating the dermaplaning tool in my dining room, so what? Okay, so to me, I really hit this area. And I don't think people realize the dermaplaning does a lot of exfoliation. It really does. I mean, well, okay, it's not a microderm, don't get me wrong. But for what it is, it really does. Be careful, you guys, don't cut yourself. I have, oh, not good. So I really concentrate on above my lip, because not only do I have the peach fuzz, but also wrinkles. So I feel like exfoliation here. And what I do is I do the dermaplaning usually after I take off my makeup, after I put my toner on, then I exfoliate with the dermaplaning, or before you put your toner on. Actually, maybe before. I've done it both ways, but yeah, do it before, right after you wash your face. Do the dermaplaning, then put your toner on, and then whatever exfoliating cream, serum that you use. And so then, and also you guys, I do my forehead. It's right here because there's crow's feet, and I feel like a little bit of exfoliation goes a long way. Just be careful around your eyes, and definitely if you have my problem, you want to do your chin. But I love these. I would say this would last me, depending, I don't know, it just depends on how you use it.